As many as 18 villages of Nakamamudi Panchayat under the Korukunda block in Malkangiri district remained cut off from rest of the world following a massive landslide at Baipada Ghati triggered by incessant rainfall on Saturday. While the landslide has disrupted vehicular movement, the locals have constructed a temporary wooden bridge risking their lives for transportation. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Majhi held talks with West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee in Delhi over the issues in the supply of potatoes in the state. CM Majhi urged her to resolve the problem at the earliest. Following discussion, the transportation has reportedly resumed. Both the chief ministers were in Delhi for the Niti Aayog meeting. Amid disappointment over bad start for Indian shooters at the Paris Olympics, Manu Bhakar finished third to qualify for the 10-meter air pistol women's final on Saturday. Bhakar shot 580 to finish third in the qualifications, in which Hungarian ace Veronika Major claimed the top spot with a score of 582. The final will be held on Sunday. In another development, Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi announced reservation for the Agni Veers, citing that the Agnipath scheme is a landmark scheme of Prime Minister. While speaking to media persons in Bhubaneswar, the CM announced 10% reservation and also age relaxation for the Agni Veers. The age relaxation allowed is 5 years. And the Office of the Special Relief Commissioner on Friday asked collectors of 13 districts to take appropriate action amid heavy rainfall and a flood-like situation in North Odisha under the influence of a low-pressure area. IMD has released yellow warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Kandhamal, Cuttack, Sonpur, Bargarh, Bolangir, Kalahandi, Nuapara, Nabrangapur, Koraput and Nayagarh.